are not, performed for one
Yes, sir.
product line. In
Yes, sir.
activity based costing, we charge costs to cost objects using
Yes, sir.
cost drivers. Before that, we allocate all the costs to cost objects, cost pools,
Yes, sir.
and
Yes, sir.
then according to the cost drivers, we charge them to the cost objects. Cost object can
Yes,
be
sir.
a cost product lines or departments or companies within the organization.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
See, we have product cost and period cost in the cost of production and total cost. We
Yes,
don't have
sir.
any problem with direct labor, direct material
Yes, sir.
because they are traceable in a particular product.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
we
sir.
have a problem of allocation of overheads.
Yes, sir. Factory overheads. Yes, sir.
We need to have an allocation basis.
Yes, sir.
When we have two product lines, say we are
Yes, sir.
producing two different models of mobiles, or we are
Yes,
producing
sir.
laptops, desktops, we are producing televisions, DVD players.
Yes, sir.
So you have a question for how to absorb, how to allocate the factory overheads, which are common.
Yes,
This is
sir.
where you see the traditional costing system, that is, direct labor times some percentage.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But there are many activities involved in each and every organization that
Yes, sir.
may consume some activity, that may not consume some activity. Say, for example, in DVD
Yes,
player,
sir.
you don't need much thermocol, much thick thermocol for packing it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whereas
Yes, sir.
TV requires a thick thermocol
Yes, sir.
and some special kind of packing for that because the
Yes, sir.
dimensions and are all different. So
Yes, sir.
obviously that kind of labor will be higher. If you say labor is
Yes, sir.
higher, the cost is higher, it is of no
Yes,
use.
sir. Yes,
Therefore,
sir.
what you need to do is today's the manufacturing processes are more complex. Therefore,
Yes,
we need
sir.
to think over and above this normal traditional costing, which will
Yes, sir.
justify the cost allocation method.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and most of the products produce more than one product line, so obviously the
Yes, sir.
problem arises in allocation of overheads.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, what we need to do is we need to think of activity based costing.
Okay, sir.
Activity based costing says the allocation of overheads are to be charged. The allocation is to be done according to the activity involved in that, but no activity, no charge.
Okay, sir.
If there is an activity, then only you charge it. Otherwise, no activity, no charge.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, activity based costing is an approach for allocating the overheads.
Yes, sir.
If there is an activity, there is no
Okay, sir.
activity,
Okay,
no
sir.
charge to the products.
Okay, sir.
The steps in activity based costing includes first what you need to do is you need to bring out the costs from cost ledgers, that what are the overheads. Say for example canteen.
Okay, sir.
In canteen you have lots of things like
Yes, sir.
foodstuff, like we have utilities there, rent
Yes,
of the
sir.
canteen building,
Yes,
repairs,
sir.
insurance, all these are costs
Yes, sir.
should be recorded in a pool called cost pool.
Okay, sir.
So all the costs will be recorded in a cost pool.
Okay, sir.
From there, the cost objects will be TV's department and DVD player department.
Okay, sir.
If you have two manufacturing units, you have TV
Yes,
department
sir.
and DVD manufacturing department.
Okay, sir.
So allocate these overheads using the number of workers working in each department
So, sir, from this cost pool, we will allocate overheads to TV and DVD department.
in according to their cost driver, that is number of workers.
Okay, 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 okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. Cost driver.
So now four items, if you can write bullet points, costs.
Yes, sir.
In my example, foodstuff, utilities, insurance, repairs
Yes, sir. Yes,
in
sir. Yes, sir.
canteen, in
Yes, sir.
running the canteen. So
Yes,
canteen
sir.
expenses, the header itself is a cost pool.
Yes, sir.
Then you
Okay, sir.
have a number of workers. Utilizing this canteen is a cost driver.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And TV's
Okay, sir.
department, DVD player department are cost objects.
Okay, okay, sir.
So your first
TV,
things,
TV and DVD departments are cost objects.
yes, cost objects.
Okay, sir.
The
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ultimate goal is to charge the costs to cost objects. That is the ultimate
Yes,
goal.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
But
sir.
in between, we never used a cost driver. We used to simply say that, oh, canteen expenses, no problem. What is the labor?
Yes, sir.
60,000 times 80%,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now
Yes,
it's not
sir.
like that. Oh,
Okay,
canteen
sir.
expenses, do one thing. First, you
Yes,
accumulate
sir.
all the canteen expenses,
Into cost pool.
cost pool.
Yes, sir. Then we will
Likewise,
determine the cost driver.
exactly,
Yes, sir.
exactly.
Then we will
Like,
allocate.
yes, likewise, you
Yes,
have a
sir.
staff accommodation costs. So
Okay,
accommodation
okay, sir.
cost is a cost pool.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have a gym in a factory, gym costs.
Yes, sir.
You have
Yes, sir. Yes,
transportation
sir.
facility to workers to go to the labor camp.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So transportation, you have buses, buses insurance, buses repair, buses fuel, buses drivers wages,
Yes,
cleaners
sir.
wages, yard rent, etc.
Yes, sir.
All these costs will go into transportation charges cost pool.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how many workers of this department and other department are utilizing the transport facility?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you understood, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Four things are very important. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Then once it is over, what happens is we allocate overheads to cost pools. From cost
Yes,
pools,
sir.
using the cost drivers, we allocate to the product lines. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Now
sir.
this example will illustrate you very easily. This is a
Yes,
cost
sir.
ledger. I'm using three cost pools: direct labor
Yes,
hours,
sir.
Mishnas, number of purchase orders. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is the ledger I've taken from my costing ledger. If you take the total
Yes,
of
sir.
this, it is 11,250. This
Okay, sir.
11,250 should be charged to TV's department and DVD player department in
Okay, okay, sir.
appropriate
Yes, sir.
way. Yeah. Now
Yes,
see
sir.
what happens. Payroll taxes supposed to go to direct labor cost pool.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Machine maintenance should go to Mishnas.
Yes, sir.
Purchasing department should go here.
Yes, sir.
Fringe benefit should go here.
Yes, sir.
Purchasing department supplies, equipment
Yes, sir.
depreciation, electricity,
Machine hours.
Mishnas,
Machine
unemployment
hours. Direct
laborers
labor. Yes, sir.
should be like this.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
should be like this. So
Okay,
if you
sir.
take this the red color total, you will get still the same total of this
Yes,
11,250.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
these are all costs.
Yes, sir.
These are the cost pools.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay,
sir.
from this we will ask TV's department and DVD player department that how many direct laborers you have, how many direct laborers you consumed. That will be
Yes, sir.
according to that ratio. Mission hours,
Okay,
how
sir.
many mission hours you consumed, how many mission hours you
Yes, sir.
consumed.
Yes,
How
sir.
many
Yes, sir.
purchase orders you made, how many
Yes,
purchases
sir.
you
How
made.
many purchase order TV department got? How many purchase order DVD department got?
Exactly, exactly,
Yes, sir. On the basis of that. Yes, sir.
exactly. Okay, then
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
this
Understood,
way.
sir.
Say for example, we pulled out
Yes,
the
sir.
information that direct labor hours are 1,000, mission
Yes,
hours are
sir.
250, purchase
Yes,
orders are
sir.
100. Yeah,
100. Yes, sir.
yes. In that case, what happens is now I have the amount allocated to cost pool. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
this amount divided by 1,000 will give me per direct labor hour. Per direct labor hour.
Okay, sir.
This is a total amount consumed by both TVs and DVD player departments.
Okay,
Total.
but sir, you told that we need a ratio,
We
a
will get,
split
we
off
will get,
ratio.
we will get in the
Okay,
next
sir.
screen. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
I got
Okay,
the
sir.
total information here.
Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, I calculated the cost per unit using the
Yes, I
drivers.
understood, sir. Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
I
sir.
have to look for TV's information and DVD player department
Yes, sir. We
information.
have to split now. Yes, sir.
Exactly. This is what. Now I got
Yes,
the
sir.
information that widget A
Okay,
consumed
sir.
400 direct labor hours, 100 machine hours, purchase orders, and widget B like this.
Okay, sir.
Is that clear?
Okay.
Now let us
Sir,
see
and
how.
this widget A and widget B both belong to TV, DVD, or widget A is
Now
TV and
this
widget
is
B is
TV
DVD?
department. This is the DVD player department in my
Okay, okay.
example.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Widget
Yes, sir. Yes,
A
sir. Okay, sir.
is TV
Yes,
department.
sir. TV. Okay. B is
Now,
DVD.
now 400 times 4.5, 100 times 10, 50 times 42.5 as per the
Okay,
previous
sir.
calculations, this ones,
Yes, sir. Yes,
using
sir.
this information. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
now see,
Yes, sir.
clear? So how much is to be
Yes,
charged
sir.
to widget A? 4925.
Okay, sir.
That makes sense. Why? Because I use three cost pools, no
Yes,
compromise.
sir.
Now widget
Yes, sir.
B.
Yes, sir.
Widget B information is this one,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it? This is DVD player department
But the
information.
absorption rates will be same, no, sir?
That will, yeah, yeah. These are the rates. These are the rates.
Absorption rates.
In fact, it's
Yes,
not an
sir.
absorption rate. It is an activity-based rate.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, absorption rate we will
Yes, sir.
compare. Yeah, fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now widget B is
Okay,
like
sir.
this. Again, reconfirm yourself that how much is the amount?
Okay,
11,250.
sir.
How? 492563.
Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
supposed to be
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
6325, not 6350.
Yes, sir. Total should come out to be that 11,250. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next.
Okay, sir.
Now, say for example, we are still following traditional method.
Yes, sir.
If you are following traditional method, what happens? If
Yes,
you
sir.
follow traditional method, say we assume direct labor hours or consumption as a base.
Yes, sir.
We don't think of
Yes,
purchase
sir.
orders, we don't think of mission hours, etc. But labor hours
Yes,
is a
sir.
base. In that
Yes,
case, what
sir.
happens? This
Yes, sir.
11,250, and we consider only direct labor hours, which is
Okay, sir.
1,000. So
Yes, sir.
11,250 over 1,000 will give me
Okay, okay, okay.
11.25.
Yes, sir. 11.25.
Yes. 400 times 11.25, 44,500. How
Okay,
much
sir.
was charged earlier? 4925. Remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And
Higher.
widget B 6750. There
Yes, sir.
6235. 6735, 6375 something. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Even here also you consumed the same amount. There is no loss to you. But one
Yes, sir.
product becomes cheaper, one product become costlier because of this.
Yes, sir.
This
Okay,
is called
okay.
as cross subsidization. One product's
Okay, sir.
gain is the
Okay.
other product's pain.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let's see. Let's
Yes, sir.
compare. See, traditional method we charged only 4,500 to product A, but supposed to charge
Yes, sir.
4925.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So there is a pain of 425, yeah, to widget B because of this, and gain to
Yes, sir.
widget
Yes,
A.
sir. Yes, sir. Same.
So
Okay, sir.
here
Okay, okay.
6750, 6325.
Okay,
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
425. 425, 425 both are same. Hmm?
Yes, sir. Difference is the same. Yes, sir.
Yes. Therefore, this is the accurate method.
Yes, sir.
ABC. But ABC limitations is that with one or two cost pools, we cannot expect accuracy. The more
Yes, sir.
cost
Yes,
pools
sir.
you make, the more accuracy you can expect, which is
But
tedious
sir,
job.
but also sir, the more cost pools we make now, sir, the more cost we will have to incur to gather
No,
those cost pools.
no, no need to incur, but
Yes,
investigate.
yes, sir. We have
Yeah,
to. Hawk has given, sir, that the more overhead rates we use now, sir, the more cost we have to incur to gather information to use
that
the overhead
that
rates.
is what I was
Hawk has
trying
given
to
that.
tell you that
Yes,
this
sir.
is an expensive method and a
Yes,
time-consuming
sir.
method. So these are the
Yes, sir.
limitations of activity-based costing. But keeping in view
Yes,
of
sir.
the proper allocation, not to have
Yes, sir.
cross
Yes, sir.
subsidization of the costs, better you need to
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
employ activity-based costing. Otherwise, your remote cost will be higher than the TV cost if this goes like
Yes, sir.
this.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
sometimes it
Yes.
happens like that.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Okay, sir.
All right. I will send you this
Yes, sir.
presentation,
Yes,
Adarsh.
PowerPoint presentation. Yes, sir. I'll look into it, sir. And if I have any doubts, I'll get back to you in the next.